Would you please repeat this?
Now time preparing for
I'm not.
Which
I'm not preparing for anything. I'm just studying about all the subjects. I want to get knowledge from everywhere.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Sir, ma'am, can you please tell me that tobacco company affords actors to advertisement?
Which would you please repeat?
Tobacco company affords actors, cricketers to for advertisement.
Yes.
But how they can afford these peoples because tobacco company is so small. Don't you seem saying such?
No, it is not too small. If we know about this company, so it's very big.
How is it big?
If we know about this, so it is not big. That it is affording the actors to the advertisements.
They are affording the actors in
Yes.
a lot of crore rupees.
Yes.
So they are. What do you seem how they earn these
They are,
money?
you know, that we are just, as we are addicted to the see the movies songs, so we see that we have the more attraction to the actors and actress, that if they are saying something, so it will be as they are glowing. So if they are adding of the fair lovely, so we will see that if he has glow, so the reason behind it will be this. So we are more attracted, and if they are saying something, so we will be attracted from that thing, and by this they can sell their products.
Actors advertise kesar,
Yes.
kesar pan masala.
Yes.
But in the reality, this is the tobacco, and
Yes,
we
yes.
cannot case on them because they are advertising kesar, and kesar is not illegal to sell.
Yes.
So how we will get right by this?
We cannot get it by this because government cannot ban this, because government is also earning money by the taxes. And how what they need, it depends on people that they are taking this. They are not forcing to any person that you should take this and you should purchase and take this. They are just showing they are giving the ads, and they are just saying, they are not focusing to you. It's your right that you want to and you don't want.
As you are saying that government cannot ban this because government also get tax.
Yes.
As I have listened, the government also used to take tax by the plastics. Mean to say
Yes.
polythene, but government ban it.
Government yeah, it banned for some time, then then it saw it was a loss, then it started again, because the government is earning from where it is earning from these the things by the taxes. If it will not earn, so how it will run the country?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Smith sir said that we can do work without computer and laptop. Is it right? And if we can do so, how?
Without computer and laptops,
Yeah.
I think that in this era that we cannot go without computer and laptops, because all the things are going for the technology. Means if we want to survive in a very good manner, so we will have to go for this, and it is not, and we cannot connect with the people.
Can you tell him that what all are the work that we can do without computer and laptops?
As I have seen in a movie, that most of things like the hackings, and most of the softwares, prepare softwares. I have not more knowledge, but I can tell that the most of the work that which are very big, it can be only operated by the laptops and functions.
I said that what all are the work that we can do without laptops and computer.
Without laptop, so which is not related to technology, which the work we can do by without the laptop. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
And what is poverty and how can we reduce it?
Poverty is nothing that we are just, if we are not earning something,
Poverty
so
is nothing.
it is nothing. If we are not earning, so we will go for it. It is in our hand that we are poor, and as we are not doing something, so we will be poor. We will go for the poverty. It's not as I listened the person's statement that all the persons are sleeping without food. So it is the fault of the person, not the government, not everyone. You know that we have, as I saw the example of this, that we were searching for the mason in our village, but we didn't find. Means the person who all are working, we are not getting the person who are working. Means unemployment is not, poverty is not. It is in our hand what we have made.
Okay, if a person he has no family and he has no any type of business and
Yes.
he can't he is unable to do any work.
How he is not? How he is unable to do any work? Labor is also work. It is earning 450 rupees per day,
But
and for
okay,
means around 50,000 rupees,
so what
and
is
just only 8 hours. Just only 8 hours.
just only 8 hours?
Yes.
I know, but I am I am asking that you know that there are many beggars.
Yes.
He is earning only few. He is earning by begging only little money.
No, it is not fact. They are earning very little money. They are
Yes.
earning more than us. You know that about the income of them. If they are,
I don't know
if they
that.
have talent, if they have talent, that I have nothing. My daughter is ill. I have to marry. I have to. I mean, they should have talent. Then they can earn
Okay,
more
so
than us.
I saw many time only shopkeeper give him to only 1 rupees and 2 rupees.
Yes. So if they are rounding 1,000 shops, so they will earn 1,000 and per month 30,000.
So why people say
And per
to,
year 3,60,000.
okay, why people say to he is poor?
You know that they don't want to work hard. We are, because we never calculated this, that we are just he is saying for just 1 rupees, but we never counted that how many houses he is surrounding and from how many places he is begging.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.